Hi friends, exactly 1 year before I made a promise to all my students, particularly students who have joined Arjuna 2024 and Lakshya 2024 that I am going to help you crack the prelims examination by predicting at least 30 questions in the prelims examination 2024. Guys, I'm pleased to tell you that I have not only fulfilled my promise, I have predicted at least 60 questions in the prelims examination 2024. In this video, I'm going to show you exact proof from your test dashboard. So you can cross check from your test dashboard and also from how many questions have come from my Optima cards. Guys, lot of questions have come from our Optima card and prelims test series. Guys, in some questions, exactly word to word, even options are matching. Guys, with this, let me start this video. But for people who do not know me, my name is Santosh Pandey. I have the unique distinction of cracking the prelims examination 6 out of 6 times with one of the highest scores consistently. You can see some of my scorecards. In the last couple of years, I have helped thousands of aspirants in cracking the prelims examination. I have also mentored few toppers. Guys, in this video, I'm going to give you the mindset which is required to crack the prelims examination. Guys, I have always told you, UPSC prelims examination is not only about hard work. If you can crack the prelims examination only by hard work, then why someone who is preparing for fifth attempt, sixth attempt, still they are failing to crack the prelims examination? The idea is to optimize your effort by focusing on important topics. In this video, I'm going to show you how I focused important topics in our test series and how at least 60 questions have directly come from our test series. Let us start the video, guys. You can see the very first question was on Delimitation Commission. Guys, you can see they have asked how many Delimitation Commission have been constituted by Government of India. You can see directly the question has come from test number 1038, question number 90. You can see the option here. Okay, so far 5 delimitation commission have been constituted. You can see exactly the spirit of the question is also the same. Exactly the spirit of the question is also same. Guys, I had given delimitation commission question 7 times in my test series. You can see how much importance I have given to this topic. 7 times in static test, in current affairs test, in Optima test, in FLT test, in PPP. Also, I made an Optima card on delimitation commission. That is the level of conviction. That is the level of conviction I have in my prediction. Guys, when I say that UPSC prelims examination is not very unpredictable, there's a myth among aspirants that UPSC exam is unpredictable. Guys, I have proved that UPSC prelims examination is a very predictable examination. I myself have cracked the prelims examination 6 out of 6 times with the highest score. And for the last couple of years, every year I'm predicting 30 to 40 questions. And this year I have crossed 60 questions. Can you imagine? This is a record in itself. And I'm going to prove you with proofs. And you can cross check all these cards I have already given you in the Telegram channel. If you have subscribed to my Lux test series and my Optima test series, then you will be having this. You can go and cross check. You can see here question number 1038, question number 90. I am having this clip with the URL. Okay, test number 1038, Polity Advanced Test 2. You can see here exactly the same question. Okay, next question, you guys. 71st amendment, 8th schedule. Exactly, again you see the same question. You can see here languages in 8th schedule. You can see here 71st amendment. In the explanation I have given Konkani, Manipuri, Nepali. You can see directly 1041, question number 85, polity Optima test. Optima test is the predicted question series. You see how I predicted the question. And also I gave an Optima card. Again you can see here 8th schedule. You can see here 71st amendment, Konkani, Manipur, Nepali. That is what is power of Optima cards. Guys, just by Optima cards, you could have solved 20 to 25 questions just by Optima cards. Nothing else, just by Optima cards. And you know, in many questions, exactly the options are also matching. The same sentence framing is also there. So that is what I'm saying, that I have predicted. When I say this, I say with very responsible. Okay, you can go and cross check all this question in your dashboard. Okay, next question, guys. You can see here which of the following statement is correct about the Constitution of India. Part 9A. Okay, you can see again part 20. You can see here 30th anniversary of Panchayati Raj, Optima card. You can see here part 9A. Okay, and part 9. Then again you can see part 20, article 368. Guys, this year I had predicted that UPSC will give question on article 368 and amendment. Why? Because this year there was anniversary of basic structure doctrine. If you remember, I had given three optima cards on the topic, three optima cards on this topic, and you know, two questions have come on this topic, two questions on article 368. That is what is power of predictions. Guys, power of predictions can help you propel your prelims journey and it can be your passport to the mains examination. Again, you can see direct question from our notes. Next question, article 21 question, right to privacy. I had made a video. If you remember on YouTube, I had made a video that definitely guaranteed question is going to come on article 1, article 21, and you can see from Laksh test series 1036 question number 82, you can see here right to privacy article 21. You can see these are the rights under article 21, direct questions, and I made a YouTube video also. This was a very simple question, but I had predicted this directly. You can see test number 1036 NCRT polity. Next question, guys, Chief of Defense Staff, an indirect question from our test portal 1044 January current affairs test. You can see here Chief of Defense Staff, Chief of Defense Staff. It is an indirect question, not a direct question. Okay, 10 test 1044 question number 25. Guys, Chief of Defense Staff has been in news for last couple of years. I had predicted this question last year also, but UPSC chose to give in 2024. But I had predicted this question in 2023 also. Next question, guys, operation of army. Guys, you can see I had made an Optima card on operations in news. You can see here Operation Maitri, other operations also. You can use this and you can eliminate and you can get the answer. You can not directly, I have not covered this topic directly, but indirectly using this, you can eliminate and you can get the answer. Next, guys, you can see longest border between two countries. You can see here 49th parallel PPP question, 49th parallel. Okay, so you can see here USA, Canada, USA, Canada. The answer was directly from our PPP. You see how I am able to predict such kind of factual questions also. See, many people, they think, okay, that UPSC is not predictable. Guys, if UPSC was not predictable, how I am giving the options also the same? Just imagine. Just imagine, because I have understood the mindset of the paper setter. Okay, through my experience of cracking this exam 6 times and last 3 years, mentoring thousands of aspirants. And guys, that is why I say with full confidence that I will be able to predict at least 30 to 40 questions. But this year, I have broken all my records, past records. I have predicted 60 questions, direct questions. You can see the proof for yourself. You can see the proof for you. This is from the PPP. Okay, next you can see here ethics committee. Guys, 100 times I have told you. You see, 100 times I have told you. You can see ethics committee was asked 3 times in our test series: static, monthly current affairs, and Optima test. 3 times we have asked ethics committee. You can see from our test series FLT 3. FLT3 question number 8. You can see here question number 8, ethics committee. Exactly, the options are also matching. And guys, I had made an Optima card also, ethics committee. You can see this ethics committee Optima card. Next, guys, you can see here Government of India Act 1935. Guys, anyone who is part of my YouTube channel or who is part of my test series, guys, honestly tell me, did I not tell you that this 1935 act will come? Don't need to read any other act, just read 1935, 1919 and 1909. Honestly, if you am saying honest, if I'm honest, please do comment in the comment box. Yes, you had told. Okay, I want to know from you. Let us be very honest. Let us appreciate the greatness of prediction. Okay, you can see here test number 1025 NCRT Modern India. Okay, you can see Government of India Act 1935. Next question, guys, UNESCO list, heritage list, Shanti Niketan, Hoyshalya. You can see directly history Optima test, direct question. You can see history Optima test. And you can see not just Hoyshalya, I gave a question on Shanti Niketan also. You can see World Heritage side. Again, history Optima test. Not that, you see one more question I have given on Shanti Niketan. Consider the following regarding Shanti Niketan. You can see this was consider the following regarding Rabindranath Tagore. You see how I am picking that important topic and how I'm having a 360-degree approach. Guys, I have always told you, always do level 1, level 2, level 3 analysis of every topic. And you see in the same test, history Optima test, which is the predicted question series. I knew this question is going to come. You see how I have covered this question from three different perspective. That is why I tell you that this Laksh test series is the best test series in the country. And when I say learn from the best, when I say learn from the best, I mean it. I have one of the best experience as far as prelims is concerned, and I have proved myself in my preparation days. I have cracked this examination 6 out of 6 times with one of the highest scores. And in last couple of years, I have predicted so many questions, guys. This year also, if you're following my YouTube channel, lot of questions I gave freely on my YouTube channel. But if you're part of our test series, you can see from our dashboard exactly the questions are coming. So, okay, let us see the next question, guys. Article 368. You see directly Optima card, important constitutional article, article 13, article 368. Guys, I told you basic structure doctrine was very important. Indirect question from our Optima card. Next, you can see this was asked in our prelims test series also. You can see test number 1041 polity optima test, as this was a predicted topic. They had to ask question on article 368 and basic structure doctrine. Next, guys, money bill, again a favorite topic of UPSC. Every year question comes, direct question from test jammer 1037. Question number 5, you can see question number 5, 1037, polity advance. You can see exactly the options are also same. Next, Northeast Council, an indirect question, not a direct question, indirect question. You can see here question number 47, test number 1037, polity advance, zonal councils. In the explanation I had talked about Northeast Council also. In the explanation I had talked about. So Northeast Council, you can see zonal councils. I had already told you, even in my predicted list, I had told you they may give question on zonal councils this year. Next question, guys, Nari Shakti Vandan Abhiyan, Abhiniyam, sorry, Adhiniyam. You can see this question, 128th Constitutional Amendment. You can see here, Nari Shakti. Okay, this was the same name was also. I had framed some similar kind of question. I had framed test number 1023 September current affairs test. Next, guys, you can see uh, recognition of recognition of scheduled tribes. You can see question again. You can see with reference to scheduled tribe, consider the following statements. Okay, so you can see direct question from our test series, test number 1039 governance test, 18 question number 81. Same thing. Okay, this I think even in FLT also had question on recognition of scheduled tribes. So this question I had asked 2 3 times. Next, writ of prohibition, again question from our NCRT test, writ of prohibition, direct question from the Lakshmikant book. Next, you can see here, guys, IR question. Every year, guys, places in news, I'm able to predict exactly the same question. You can see FLT1, Argentina, economic crisis. You can see here directly from our test series. Sudan, guys, Sudan, I had told you 100 number of times Sudan is going to come. You can see here Sudan. Okay, you can see why in news, armed clashes erupted between the Sudanese army and rapid support forces. You can see places in news, Africa in news, Sudan, conflict between SAF and RSF. You can see this. Okay, so exactly, see, the the power is, you see the kind of accuracy in prediction. You see the accuracy, the manner in which UPSC is framing, and the manner in which I am also framing the same question. You see, let us go further. Red Sea, you can see Red Sea question. Again, you can see Red Sea question. I had given Optima card, and exactly these statements are there here. You can see geographical formation, geological formation, geographical area surrounding, and geological history. You can answer this question through this Optima card. Next, guys, you can see here, according to Environment Protection Agency, which of the following is the largest source of sulfur dioxide? Guys, I had predicted that this year sulfur dioxide is going to be asked in the prelims examination. Why? Because of the flue gas desulfurization. You see, I had prepared an Optima card, and in that Optima card, you can see here sulfur dioxide pollution. In that, I have given India is the largest emitter of SO2, and sources are fossil fuel, basically by plants I had given. Okay, so this is an important topic I had given, guys. This can be asked. You can see I had given this flue gas desulfurization. You can see this question has also been asked in flue gas desulfurization, FLT4. Next, guys, you can see next question. You can see question number 33, digital currency, digital rupee. Okay, so guys, you can see here I had framed a card on Optima card, and even I had framed question also, PPP question in our PPP. I had given two questions on that. You can easily answer this question. You can see it is a legal tender. It is governed and issued by central bank. It is a digital form. It is a fiat currency. It is based on blockchain technology. You can answer using this. Even you can refer this Optima card and you can easily answer this question. A simple question. Next, guys, you can see here. Okay, so this is the same. Okay, another question. It's the same thing has been asked in test number 1015, Indian economy, question number 74. Again, digital currency. You can mark this question using this. Next, guys, you can see this is a very important question. Again, a prediction directly from our notes. You can see India does not import apples from the United States of America. You can see this. India's apex food regulator has no data on presence of GMO in imported food in the past years. You can see here directly in that article I had given. You can see in that article I had given about apples. Okay, I had given about apples also, that India imported so many apples from America, and this exactly this was covered in our this article. You can go and check November 15. Okay, let me just see the date again. Okay, yes, November 15, 2023, India's apex regulator about the this thing about the GMO import. So you can see GMO import. This was asked in the directly from our notes. Next question, guys, you can see here US debt crisis directly from our notes. 18th of May 2023, US debt crisis. Again, impact everything I had given. It's very simple question. This one you can see here. Okay, this GMO one, the second slide of GMO one, you can see here directly I have given. You can see in 2018-2022, US exported apples worth 1811 crore to India. You see this directly. You can see, you can use this statement and you can answer this question. You can see this. India does not import apples. You can easily cross this because I had covered this in my article. This article I had covered. That is why DPN is so important. Important news. See, I focus on only important stuff. Okay. Next, you can see uh, Lord Cornwallis Rotary permanent. You can see directly I had given Cornwallis permanent settlement. Okay. Test number history modern advanced part 1. Test number 1026, question number 20, again direct from our test series. Next, guys, you can see which of the following is the latest inclusion of intangible cultural heritage. Directly you can see here. Okay, intangible cultural heritage Garba dance. I had made an Optima card also on Garba dance. So you see the power of prediction. Next, guys, you can see Sahel region. Guys, at least 100 times I told this topic is going to come. You can see Optima card, you can see PPP Sahel region, and exactly same I had given. You can see this same I had given Mali, Burkina Faso, Niger. You can see coup attempted. Okay, Sahel region. You see so many cards, so many same topic. How many times? I'm saying 100 times. I'm not joking. I'm not kidding. Many people say 100 times he is saying. You see how many times I have asked the same question. So how many cards I have given? One, two, three cards. Can you get it wrong? And in YouTube also, at least 10 times I told this Sahel region is going to come. You see, whatever I say, it becomes the truth. Guys, you must have heard that some people they have the spiritual power to predict the future. Okay, so how does that power come? Through tapasya. Okay, so guys, in my UPSC journey, you can see I have done really very hard work, and that has given me the experience to predict what UPSC can give in the paper. And the proof is in front of you. Sometimes some people will say that how sir is able to predict. Sir has magical powers. Yesterday I got a call from one of the students. I said, sir, do you have some magical powers? How are you able to confidently tell that Sahel region is going to come? You did not tell any other region in Africa. You just told Sahel region is going to come. How are you going to do this? How are you going to how do you do this? Guys, this is what is called experience. This is what is called the power of experience. Power of cracking all six prelims examination. Guys, now you must be now acknowledging. Okay, what I say, I really mean. Okay. Next, you can see, guys, speaker again directly from 1037 polity advanced one. Simple question. I had told speaker question will come. Next, guys, you see exactly the statements are also matching, guys. Bill, bill lapsing. Direct question. 1015 question number 74. Exactly. Even I made an Optima card. You can see here. Lapsing of bills. Optima. I was very confident. Let me tell you, I was very, very confident. I told the student also, this question is guaranteed. Santosh sir ki guarantee this question is going to come. You see, in the PPP also given one question on this. In PPP also I have given one question on this. Next, guys, prorogation of house. Again, you see Optima card I had given. Okay. This also I had told you. Okay, UPSC can give question on adjournment, prorogation, all this kind of stuff. Next, guys, net zero industry act. Okay, again you see directly you can see fit for 55 indirect question. European Union I have given on Optima card also. You can see green deal, green deal, green deal, green deal. You can see here net zero industry act. In our Optima notes I had covered it. Okay, so how many times, yeah, you want? How many times you want? You see, so many times I had predicted the same question. One in notes, then in PPP, then in Optima card, then you see in our test series FLT2. How many times you want me to give the same question? So many times I have given. The proof is in front of you guys. That is what I want to show you. I want to show you UPSC prelims is a very easy exam if your like approach is good. See, 99% student what they do, they sleep throughout the year and they get up in March, they get up in April. Sir, please give us some predicted topics. Guys, only when you do it throughout the year in PPPs, in the NCRT test, I'll just going to show you from one NCRT test, 5 questions have come. From one NCRT test, 5 questions have come in the UPSC prelims exam. One NCRT test. That is the power of NCRT test of Santosh sir. That is the power of NCRT test of Santosh. So that is why this year I had not given the PDFs. All the tests are in dashboard. Why? Because I know many people just copy our test because our tests are directly coming in the UPSC exam. That is why this year I did not give the PDF of NCRT test. Okay. So let me just show you next. Okay, fit for 55. You can see directly I had given this question. You can see FLT2 also. Next, guys, you can see Venezuela question. Venezuela has the world's largest oil reserve. I had told you this Venezuela question is going to come. You can see this Optima card. You can see here I have written somewhere. Okay, you see Venezuela, home to the world's largest oil reserve. You see. What else you want, sir? Huh? Please do consider hitting a like button if you really followed this and you were benefited, guys. Please, so that it will reach many students. See, many students, they don't know about this initiative. They don't know about this initiative. They are following something and they are struggling to crack the prelims examination year after year. They are wasting so much money going to Delhi and Nagar, and they are just wasting their time, effort, money. Guys, if you just follow the Lakshya, sit at home and prepare, self-study, and just follow the Lakshya test, you will easily crack the prelims examination with the power of prediction. Next, guys, you can see this. This was I was telling you. Guys, from one NCRT test, test number 1001, 5 questions have come. I think 5 questions have come. Let me just show you. You can see this question, guys. The atmosphere is heated more by incoming radiation, basically heating of atmosphere. You can see this question. The temperature of air at any place is influenced by. You can see this explanation. I had given this. You can see somewhere I had given explanation also. Okay, that land is basically, you can see this. The atmosphere is indirectly heated by terrestrial radiation from below. You can see this. So one question, you see from this test how many questions have come directly, how many questions have come. So one question you can see exactly I have shown you, test number 1001 NCRT 95, question number 95. Let us go next question. Thickness of troposphere at equator. You can see this test number 1001 NCRT. You can see thickness of troposphere at poles and equator. Even the statement formation is same, sir. You can see statement formation is same. What else you want? This is not what? This is not magic. Then what is magic? If this is not magic, then what is magic? Go and check in your dashboard. Go and check in your dashboard. Okay. Question number 41. Go. Exactly. The word is also matching. You see, convective activity. Convective activity. This is the power of prediction. Guys, please spread this video with aspirants so that, guys, people do not waste their attempt. Guys, why? Someone will say, how are you able to predict? Guys, because UPSC is giving very conceptual questions. All these questions have been framed from NCRT. Each between the lines, reading between the lines, I have framed my NCRT test. Very, very conceptual test. Just see from one NCRT test how many questions I have predicted. Exactly what to word it is matching. You can just see. You can just see word to word the question is matching. Word to word. You can go and you can check in your dashboard. Word to word. Same. You see convective activity, troposphere thickness. You can see. Because I have framed the question from NCRT, UPSC is also using the NCRT. That is the magic. Okay, guys. You can see again. Okay, I had told you volcanic eruption is going to come. So many times I told you volcanic eruption is going to come. You see, options are also same. You can see which of the following gases is released by volcanic eruption. You can see. And I told you on my YouTube channel, I told you on my Telegram channel that this question is going to come. You can see test number 1005, question number 24 from the Geography Advanced Test. Next, guys, you can see, okay, again, another question also I gave. You can see, same topic. Next, guys, isotherm. Again, same question. Same question, guys. You can see isotherm question. Again, test number 1001. And so many questions have come from the NCRT test. You can see this. Gulf Stream and North Atlantic Drift. Okay, exactly the same question have come. Exactly the same question have come. Test number 1001. Okay, question number 67. Question number 67. The proof is in front of you. The proof is in front of you. You see how I am framing the question in the new pattern and how UPSC is also using the same sources. NCRT books, guys. You have to solve questions on NCRT. Many people what they just read. So they are not having the complete knowledge. Once you read and then you solve some analytical questions, then your knowledge will become pakka. Okay, next let us move on, guys. You can see this question. Okay, cocoa. Again, you see directly from our notes. Directly our notes. Okay, you can see here. Okay, impact of soaring cocoa prices. You can see here somewhere I have written. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? Yeah, you can see this. El Nino has impacted market prices in Ghana and Ivory Coast. You can see. Okay, some. Okay, this option you can mark it directly from our DPN. Okay, chocolate meltdown is the article. So see, UPSC is this question. This article I framed from the Hindu. So the Hindu is the source, guys. I am blindly covering Hindu in my test series and in my notes. Each and every article, I am doing that. Next, guys, rainfall is one of the reason for weathering. Rainfall water contains carbon dioxide. You can see again directly question 1001. You see how many questions have come from this NCRT test. You can see this question. Dominant force of weathering. You can see exactly I have explained here. Chemical weathering. Okay. And you can see here you just read this. I think exactly I have covered this why the weathering process happens, how it happens. I have exactly you see weak you can see here becomes carbonic acid and this weak acidic attacks the rocks something like that. I've explained. You see, you can see rainwater absorbs carbon dioxide and becomes carbonic acid. Rainwater absorbs carbon dioxide and becomes carbonic acid. You can see directly I have explained this directly. It has come from our test series. Okay, test 1001. You see, this means what? This year, which test is the king? Test 1001. Five questions, word to word, have come. And you see, this is completely I have taken from my dashboard. Okay, you can go and cross check. You can go and cross check. Okay, next. Okay, next, guys. This is a prediction I told you. North Sea, North Sea, North Sea is going to come. You see, options are also matching, sir. Options are also matching. You can see question number 13. Geography Optima test. Optima test is what? Predicted question, important question series. You see, UK, Russia, Russia, Norway, Germany, Germany. How many of them boarding North Sea? How many of you boarding North Sea? Just you see, sir. What do you want? Okay, what do you want? Huh? See the options. See the options. Exactly, exactly, Mag. That is what is called the power of predictions. If you have the power of prediction, no one can stop you. No one can stop you, guys. And I made a Optima card also on North Sea. You can see here. And guys, I took a video also. You can see this video. You can see this video from video I had told you. You can see here. I had told you I had highlighted this also. You can see countries bordering North Sea. Okay. Next, guys, you can see this again. You can see test again. Test number 10001. Physical NCRT. You can see Alps, Appalachians, Andes. You can see this question I had given, which are the types of mountains, block mountain, fold mountains, directly from the NCRTs. Next, guys, cicada, directly from the Optima card, cicada, okay, I had predicted. You can see Optima cards are what? Predictions, power of predictions. Just see and mark it. Just see and mark it. If you just imagine, if you just see this card, can you miss any question on cicada? If you have just seen this, just seen one glimpse also, it is impossible. Next, guys, lion roaring. This question I had predicted. Okay, cheetah do not roar. You see here, something I had given. Okay, leopard do not roar. I had made a YouTube video also. You can see this YouTube video also I had made. Most important animal behavior. Okay. Next, guys. Okay, you can see this is an option elimination. Directly, I have told you in such kind of questions. Okay, you are not sure, go for all. So answer is all three. Using my option elimination, I have told you. Okay, next, guys, water vapor. Again, you can see test number 1001. You see, sir, how many questions have directly come from test number 1001? Five questions direct from one test, five questions. One test, the power of NCRT test made by Santosh sir of Lakshya batch Optimize IAS. That is called the power. Now you see how I have got 145 marks in the UPSC prelims examination. Okay, you can see exactly the word is also matching. Water vapor decreases from equator to pole. It absorbs something exactly. This is question framed from this. Next, guys, this remember this Optima card I gave you. I made a YouTube video also on this, and in your Optima session also I have taken on this. Exactly, you can see this question has come from this. Exactly, the question has come from this card. Next, guys, Coriolis force. Exactly, you see 4th of May, Coriolis force. I made a one question also in YouTube. There is a proof. You can go and you can see 4th of May. Okay, the Optima discussion Coriolis force. You can see Coriolis force. You can see tropical cyclones do not form over the equator. Tropical cyclone do not form over the equator. The answer is one of the reason is what? Coriolis force. You can see here Coriolis force also they have asked. It is absent in equator, something like that. They have asked. Exactly, you can see here. I had framed this question. And what was the context? You can see cyclone Hidaya to slam Tanzania, and this was the item, and they have framed the article was that okay, this is in equatorial country, it is on equator, but still there can be a possibility of cyclone hitting. So it is something related to the Coriolis force I had told, and there I had given this question. You can see this question I had given that cyclones do not form over equator. What is the reason? One of the reason is Coriolis force. Exactly, you can go and you can watch 4th of May, my YouTube channel, the PPP discussion. You can go and check. Next, guys, June 21, directly question from our Optima notes. Direct, you can see Solstice. Directly, this question has come. Next, guys, you can see directly from Optima card, Congo Basin, Brazzaville Declaration. You can see here, Congo Basin. Exactly this question. I had peatland. Okay, Congo Basin. You can see here. This though I had told this question is going to come definitely. Next, guys, flying fox. Again, you can see directly from our flying fox, 18th of August 2023. You can see here schedule 2, schedule 5. Okay, you can see here they have asked same thing. The question also have been framed in the same manner. Vermin. Okay. Next, you can see this PFAS. Okay, forever chemical. Forever chemical. You can see here again from our Optima notes. If you have read our Optima notes, you can easily solve this question. Next, guys, total fertility rate. Again, you can see our Optima notes, 25th of March 2024, total fertility rate, the average number of children born to per woman directly, total fertility rate. Okay. Next, you can see corporate bonds. Corporate bonds, 4th of August 2023, exactly very simple question. Next, you can see this question. Okay, sustainable aviation fuel. This I had predicted. I had told definitely question is going to come on that. You can hear sustainable aviation fuel. Many places I had given this. You can see this. Okay, sustainable aviation fuel. I have covered sustainable aviation. I have also covered the difference also between the traditional aviation fuel and the sustainable aviation fuel. This I had given so many times. You can see June 1, 2023. Optima card also I have framed because this was in news, sir. This was in news, and I had strong feeling that they will give question on that. Next, guys, you can see here exactly again NCRT 1014. NCRT micro and macroeconomic test. You can see here working capital, fixed capital. You can see, okay, working capital, concept of working capital and fixed capital. You see, that is what, see, everything I'm telling you, people think that how UPSC is framing question. Just imagine how Santosh sir is predicting before UPSC gives the question. You see, because they are also taking the NCRT, but they are not just framing the questions superficially. They are going deeper. And our test series is going deeper level. And that is why we are able to predict the test. That's it, nothing else. We don't have any spiritual powers. The thing is, I am doing reading between the lines and I am framing the question. That is why I am able to do that. Next, guys, you can see, okay, same, you can see physical capital. You can see working capital, fixed capital. You can see two questions I have framed from the same test, test number 1014, NCRT, question number 40, working capital and fixed capital. Next, guys, you can see this question, metaverse. You can see my hit list, metaverse. Next, Reserve Bank of India. Okay, on foreign banks. Again, you can see foreign banks. I think I have framed a question also on foreign banks. This was in news last year. I had covered in my Optima notes and I have framed a question also on that. You can see foreign banks. Okay, everything I have given you. Next, radioisotope thermoelectric generators. Okay, this also is very important. You can see directly from our Optima notes, science Optima notes, Voyager mission. Okay, you can see here radioisotope thermoelectric generator, plutonium 238. You can see plutonium 238. Next, guys, okay, blood vessels, nitric oxide. You can see here nitrates. Okay, flow of blood into the heart. Okay, cardiovascular diseases, again from our Optima notes. Next, this was radar. I have told you for these questions, go for all three. Okay, take risk. See, such kind of questions you should take risk. My elimination techniques. See, in exam, one or two risk you have to take. One of two risk you have to take, elimination method. I'll make a separate elimination video if you want. Just write, okay, please make an elimination video separately. I'll make a video how many questions you can solve using my elimination trick. Okay, next, 95, again you can see this this question also. I had predicted fifth generation aircraft. You can see fifth generation aircraft, March 12 2024. It was a recent news. Okay, next, this again you can see here. Okay, hydrogen used. Okay, so I told you for this question go for all. In science question go for all, don't worry. Okay, next, fuel cell, directly from our test series. You can see test number 1050, February, current affairs. Question number 1, you can see only emit hydrogen, fuel cell only emit water. This is only the question, okay, of this question number 97. Next, pumped storage hydropower. You can see directly from our Optima notes, pumped storage hydropumps. Next, last question, membrane bioreactors, directly from our FLT6. Okay, moving bed biofilm reactor, sequence batch reactors. You can see the explanation. In that explanation, I had covered entire thing November 2023. You can see here, I have covered this membrane bioreactors, moving bed bioreactors. Okay, it is used for basically what? It is used for what? Sewage treatment plant. Here also waste treatment technology will be the answer. Okay, D. So guys, this is what, see, just you can go and count how many questions I have predicted. So guys, if you want to prepare for 2025, do not waste your time. Join the Laksh batch. This is the number, two number. You can call this number or you can just telegram this number. They will share the link. Even in the video description of this video, the link will be given for Laksh 2025 batch. Guys, Lux 2025 or Lux program is basically designed to help you optimize, focus on important and predicted questions. That is what is the idea. So start early, because many people they join late, they are not able to use it properly. If you really want to use it properly, start early. Guys, if you think whatever I have done in last 1 year and it was useful, it was as per the UPSC pattern, and you can go and cross check in your dashboard. So please consider liking this video and sharing this video with your friends. God bless you guys. Thank you and best of luck for your mains preparation. Thank you guys.